So welcome back. Hope you enjoyed the first video. If you've not seen the first video yet, I'll link it up here and I'll also link it at the end of the video. In the last video, you see me get last year's MOT advisories done, drop links and the track rod ends. I'm going to do a bit more bits to it, get it ready for its MOT today. Once it's past its MOT, we'll take it for tracking, get the tracking done, and hopefully, fingers crossed it passes, then we can carry on doing bits what need doing, get this thing back on the road. Right, so next job is this bonnet. Catch here, look. It's absolutely solid. The bonnet's already come up on this van previous to me owning it, so I'm going to take this off, get a really good clean, see if I can free it up. If not, I'll have to buy a new one. A couple of 10mm nuts. Put that one off. I've got already doused with WD in case of clipping this off here, hopefully. This should now pop off. There we go. So yeah, if you look at this, it's very rusty and grimed up. So we're going to give this a clean. Find my wire brush. Get it clean. Spray with some WD-40. The bench, which is a slab. Back to how it should be. If you can see that now. That now. It's free as anything. So get that back on. And putting it back on, it's just the same as reversing. Clips back in there. One. Yep. There we have it. Right, I'm going to let that soak now, clean all that wheel up, get the new wheel on, and then go from there. Right, I've got these new wheels. It needs the spigot rings, so I put the spigot rings on. It needs wobbly bolts as well because the BMW alloys. But we'll get this alloy on, get it dropped down, see what it's like. the wheels on now, but as you can see, slightly come out a bit. So the plan is now stick these wheel arches on and get them on here like that. We're drilling, riv nut them and then bolt them on. So let's go from there. I'm just going to mark it up where it needs to be. There, still a few holes, and see where we go. Start going with top of it. Right, I've just got to hope now. I've drilled these holes that this arch fits a proper place. What I'm going to do, got these M6 riv nuts, which I'm going to go on here, all the way across, and then I'm going to bolt them on these flush bolts here. So let's see if they fit. Right, so they're all in now. I'll show you all these rivets now. Just screw the arch straight to them. So hopefully I've lined this up properly. Otherwise I'm screwed. That was lucky, but anyway, that's on now. That's all four done now. Only had a bit of a problem with one of them. All the other three went on fine. Wheels are on now, and I've changed the old crappy BMW badges. Put the Captain America shield badges on. So hopefully now that's the van ready for the MOT. I'm going to get it ready for the MOT, and we'll see if it passes. Hope you like this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Thank you to everyone who subscribed from my last video. Hope you enjoy it and hope you keep following along. See you on the next one.